In today's weather. Yeah, I'm just imitating the putz at Direct Weather, who sensationalizes everything. I'm making this video because I am a meteorology buff and a snow lover, and there's something potentially upcoming. Well, this weekend, which is not going to be really that big a deal. It'll be the first snow event in New England, this Saturday, January, I think it's going to be 6th or 7th, 2024. But the real exciting thing is what might be coming up the week after that. Now, this is the snowstorm that's coming, and you have these idiots like at Direct Weather who are telling you this is going to be historic and blah, blah, blah. No, that's BS. This is a minor snowstorm. It's small. It's not that strong. It's moving fast. We're talking for Connecticut, Rhode Island, 3 to 6 inches, 4 to 8 max. It's really going to be nothing. But it's the first snow event. What's coming up, though, now this thing here is mostly going to be rain, and that's going to be for the middle of next week. And what's most impactful about this storm is the strength of it is going to be impactful for bringing in Arctic air, a lot of strong cold air coming in after the snow, which is going to set the stage for, not that there, that's going to be another nothing, but this thing right here, where it's Saturday, January 13th, if the computer models pan out, this is going to be a classic nor'easter bomb, probably the most intense thing we've had this century. Now I'm starting to sound like Direct Weather. But thing you want to do is have a grain of salt with this because of how far it is. This here is Sunday, January 14th. We're talking almost 2 weeks away now at this point. But we'll just pretend this scenario is going to exist. This thing's already becoming a bomb. The energy is going to transfer off the coast, and wait till you see the strength of this thing. There's the energy transferring. I mean, that's about as classic a nor'easter setup as you will ever find. However, one thing I learned with long-range models, anything past a few days, what looks exciting is probably going to end up being a disappointment. But just wanted to show you this. I mean, this storm, if it comes out the way they're showing, we're talking a foot or more of snow.